In this video, we shall learn the counting from 1 to 10. The first number is 1. 1. One ball. 1. 2. 2. Two balls. Let's count it. 1, 2. Two balls. 3. 3. Three balls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Three balls. 4. 4. Four balls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four balls. 5. 5. Five balls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five balls. 6. 6. Six balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six balls. 7. 7. Seven balls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven balls. 8. 8. Eight balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight balls. 9. 9. Nine balls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nine balls. 1, 0, 10. 10. 10 balls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls. And now we can study in inverse counting. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.